Hi, welcome to Ask Chef Gilles part 25. Today we talk about customers, how to keep your customers, how you have a good following on your customers and have them returning often to your restaurants. I think Amuse we very well know for good customer relation, and also our customers coming quite often visit us, and this is very important. So especially if you have your own restaurant and your own chef, you want to have a very good customer relation. So for me it's easy. I have open kitchen, so every day I go and see the customers after lunch or after dinner, talk with them, check if everything goes fine, if the service was good, if the food was good, have a little chat with them to see what they like and what why they didn't like. That's part of the customer relation. Of course, also keeping them informed. So I have a WhatsApp messaging where I have my customers, let them know when we have a new menu, when there's something fresh coming from the market, something new. I send them personal message, and that's what they love very much, personal attention. Like now we have the Christmas menu also, sending them what we have special for Christmas. It's very important to keep this close relation with your customer. It helps them coming back. It helps them to remember you, and it's all very good for your marketing. Thank you.